Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you how to get this bronzed, glowy, bold lip, perfect look for the summer. So if you're interested in what this looks like and what it takes to get this, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. And don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So stay tuned for more from me. So first I am starting with primer, of course, and I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer, my favorite one, and I'm just going to take some out into my hand. And then I'm going to go in with, I guess I should have done this first, but I'm going to use the Benefit POREfessional Pearl Primer. I like this one because it's not matte. They do have a matte one, I think it's blue, but I'm just gonna take a little bit onto my finger, just rub it in, and then just so once I've done that, I kind of already squeezed some out onto my hand, but I'm using the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel Sheer Illuminating Fluid, and I'm just gonna tap that out onto my hand. So this is going before foundation. I just want to get some out onto there, and I think they repackaged this. So it comes in a bottle that's easier to take out of. I think I lost my beauty blender. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I am going to pick up some of that product from my beauty blender, and I'm going to go onto the higher points of my cheeks. Okay, so now that my face is beaming, I'm gonna go in with a foundation. Today I'm using the Tom Ford Traceless Foundation Stick in number 7, Tawny. So this is what it looks like inside. I'm not a huge fan of stick foundations, but this one I'm just obsessed with. It doesn't come off or break up the way that other stick foundations do on my skin. So I really love the finish of it. It has kind of a dewy, natural finish to it. So I'm just picking some up onto my beauty blender, and I am going to start applying that all over my face. So once we have applied the foundation, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Concealer, and I'm in the shade 230. This is a little bit light though. I'm not going to do too much around my eyes. I want today's look to look really natural. I want it to look like glow from within. I want the center focus to be on all the glow that I'm going to put on my face, and not so much the contour and the highlight. So I'm not going to put any on my cheeks right here. I don't want them to be too chiseled out. I want them to be more so of a natural gradient, if that makes sense. Might be a little bit too light of a concealer right now, but that's okay. We will work with it. So after that, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer. If you haven't seen my video, Full Face of Fenty Beauty, make sure to check that out. I'll put the link in my description. I did a full face using only Fenty Beauty products, and I had so much fun. I absolutely love Fenty Beauty now. I don't know, like I said, why it took me such a long time to try that brand, but everything that I tried just looked so beautiful on my face. If you're looking for a good brand and you want to see how those products work on the face, make sure to check out that video. bit orange. I had a little bit of a tanning malfunction. But next I'm going to be using another Fenty Beauty product. This is the Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush in shade 5 Strawberry Drip. I think this is the perfect cream blush shade, especially if you have my skin tone. I feel like this would look beautiful on any skin tone, but since I have kind of a good tan going right now, it's not going to look super crazy pinky peach like this looks. It comes off a lot more subtle when you apply it. So I'm just gonna take my I'm using the same beauty blender, by the way, for all of these. I just feel like everything blends better together when it has a little bit of product left over on it. So I'm just gonna take that and put it on my apples of my cheeks. But now that I have put that on, I am gonna go in with another highlighter. This one is from BECCA. It's the Champagne Pop Shimmering Liquid Perfector Highlighter. Perfector. And I'm gonna take some onto my hand again. I'll do like one pump, maybe a little bit less. And then I will grab a little bit onto that same beauty blender. So as you can see, I am pretty glowy as of right now. Next, I am just gonna go in with a very small amount of setting powder, and I'm only gonna put this on the parts of my face where I haven't applied that cream highlight. So I'm just gonna take a little bit onto a brush. I'm just using a big fluffy brush from Zoeva. This is the 106 powder brush. So now that I have applied all of my cream products, I'm just gonna go in with a tiny bit of the NARS Laguna bronzer. This is not the matte version, this is the regular one. So I'm just taking some onto a brush, and I'm just really gently, really lightly going over where that bronzer was, just to give it a little bit more color. And then I'm gonna take a little tiny bit of this MAC Cheeky Bits Extra Dimension blush. So this is what it looks like inside. It's a super pink corally color. And I'm just taking this Anastasia A23. I know this is a highlighting brush, but I like to use this for blush too. So I'm just gonna take a little bit onto my brush. And the last thing I'm going to do for my face, I'm going to apply more highlighter. So this is the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in Mean Money and Hustle Baby. I'm going to use Hustle Baby. This is that sparklier shade. So I'm going to go in with another highlighting brush, tap off the excess. So once I have finished my face makeup, I'm gonna take a blending brush. This one is the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease Brush. And I'm taking this NARS. I'm so sorry, I don't know if this is discontinued or not. I'll put it in the description box. But this is the NARS Banc de Sable highlighting palette. Sorry if I said that wrong. But this is what it looks like inside. So I am going to be mixing this all over and then this into my crease. So this just gives the most beautiful barely trying eye look. So and as you can see, my eyes are just very glowy and shiny. They're not crazy sparkly, but they're very glowy. And then once I've done that, I'm gonna take this Makeup Forever Starlit Powder in Iridescent Pearl number 13, and I am going to It's super, super shiny. So it's a really, really finely milled glitter, and it looks just more like a glow. So I'm gonna take that onto a flat top brush, and I'm just gonna apply it on my lid. Next, if you really want to go the extra mile and make your eyes pop, typically I go in with the Makeup Forever Starlit Liquid in shade 3. So it literally looks like a nail polish. This is what it looks like inside. It comes with this little nail polish applicator. And I am going to take... Sorry, I'm kind of a mess. I'm just gonna take this and paint it onto my lid. Perfect. So obviously my eyes and my face look very, very, very glowy now. Now I'm just going to apply some liquid liner, brows, and mascara and lashes, and I will be right back. So now that I have put on my eyebrows, my lashes, and my liner, I am going to just quickly spray my face with a setting powder. I'm using my favorite one, the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I'm just going to spray this all over my face to set everything in place for the rest of the day. And now for my favorite part, this is what really sets the look apart, what makes it really stand out, and that is the lip. So every time I do this kind of glowy, bronzy kind of look, there's not too much going on with my eyes besides like the really glowy aspect of it, so I want my lips to stand out. Typically I do a red or a pink. Today I'm gonna do hot pink. I'm gonna be going in with a lip liner. This one is the NARS Let's Go Crazy Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. So I'm gonna do that all over my lips. So once I have done that, I am gonna be using the Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink, and this is the color 30 Romantic. I actually heard about this from Patrick Ta. I saw he did a look like this on Adriana Lima, and I fell in love. So I got the exact color that he was using, and it just makes the whole lip just look so perfect. It's the perfect hot pink. Now that I've given that a second to dry on my lips, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline, I'm not sure what line this is, but this is shade 20 Pink and Proper. So the tube looks like this. It's another pink, but this is just a little bit of a lighter pink, and I'm just gonna go in the middle with this one. So this is just gonna give a little bit of a lighter color to the lips. So since I just put this in the middle, it's gonna make my lips also appear bigger than they are. So this is the finished look. As you can see, my face is very, very, very glowy. The tip of my nose is really glowy. My cheeks are really glowy. My eyes are very glowy. And my lips are super bold. This is my go-to summer look when I want to look super bronzed, effortless, but still beautiful look. And this is what that is. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel because I will be posting every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So I've got a lot more coming for you guys, and I will see you in the next video.